Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be reviewing an exceptional application which provides you with free virtual phone numbers, which enables you to make social media accounts such as WhatsApp and Telegram. And also, this application provides you with free unlimited calling and texting. As you can see in my screen, which I'm showing to you guys, the application which I'm going to review today is known as Talkatone. And in this video, I'll be reviewing uh, my past 1 week experience. I have been using this application for the past 1 week. I'll be reviewing each of these features, and I'll be stating out some pros and cons. And also, I'll be finally giving out my review points out of 5 and 10. Uh, I'll be reviewing few more things such as the UI about UI stands for user interface. I'll be sharing you guys my review about the features and the problems which you people may face if you're located outside a few countries such as America or Canada. If you're located outside these countries, you may face a few errors when using this application, such as this item is not available in your country. But yes, this application is not available in the country. But how am I having this application? As you can see, I have this application in my phone. So in this video, I'll be covering each and every one of those uh, points in this video. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Do not skip any part of this video. Okay, so guys, before moving on to the video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button in order to receive daily updates uh, of the videos which I post. My videos mainly focus on the virtual numbers and stuffs, and about solving the problems which may arise with the virtual phone number applications, and also a few technological problems. And I'll be giving updates on the technological world and the events happening in the technological world. So guys, now let's just not waste any more time and let's just really dive into the video. First of all, if I would have to give an overview of the application, uh, this application name is Talkatone Texting and Calling. This is from the TextNow Corporation. It is from the Talkatone Corporation. Okay, and this item is only available for the US and Canada citizens. This item is not available for people who are located outside those countries. Right now, I'm located in India, but I still have this application. I'll show you guys how I install this application. Overall, out of 158K reviews, it has a 4.3 star rating, which is pretty good for any application. The previous applications or reviews which we saw, such as these applications, had like pretty less ratings compared to Talkatone. I posted a lot of videos and reviews. So guys, if you are not yet go watch that, go take a look at the description or the comment section. I would have pinned a comment. Before quitting this video, just go take a look at the comment section. There are many helpful videos uh, which may help you guys to solve any of those problems in the technological world, or which may help you in what you're doing. Okay, so overall in total it has 10 million plus downloads. The user interface which they're showing in the screens is actually pretty good, but this is not the entire user interface. I'll show you the actual user interface too. Now if you guys ask me how did I navigate in the Google Play Store to Talkatone, I navigated to this application via this way. Just go to Google, search for Talkatone, and just click on this install button over here to take you to this page, and you would be able to install this application from there. This is the Talkatone's official website. The website's link is talkatone.com. You can just take a look at it. Let's take a look at its App Store page. Okay, so this application is actually 44th in social networking in the App Store. Okay, it has a 4.7 star rating. This is very good comparatively. Now if I would have to go through the features, first of all, the features what they are telling out in their website is the free phone number. They give you free texting to US phone numbers. It also includes the Canada phone numbers, obviously. Wi-Fi and cellular data calling. Okay, That is the normal standard eSIM calling. Uh, we make a calls and receive calls and we text each other using the internet, so it's pretty common. No roaming fees anywhere. Okay, well this no roaming fees anywhere. Yes, this is also pretty common. It's millions of users. Yeah, okay. These are the features review. Okay, in this page it has some amazing user interface, but its user interface is not this good as it's showing here. Um, okay, if I would have to take my reviews and assumption, what I'm going to tell you about Talkatone is Talkatone actually enables you to make calls, send and receive SMS from anywhere. It is a free application that you can download from Google Play Store. You can access this application using your Facebook account or Google account. Once logged in, you can get a free phone number as per your choice. It is also a good application for obtaining virtual phone number for WhatsApp and another some other instant messaging applications. This app offers a virtual phone number that people can call you on your Talkatone line. This app is unnecessary for the receiver to get the free SMS and picture messages you send using Talkatone. If I would have to say the features are the same. This calling app lets you select your personalized free phone number. Uh, by personalized, I mean they would give you an option of they'd let you choose your own country code, and they would enable you to choose the 607 over here is the country code. They would, if you choose a country code, they will give you 10 phone numbers. You can you know choose a different phone number by clicking on this choose a different one button over here. It helps us connect with friends and family who are located in the US and Canada, as international calls cost a lot. If you use this eSIM providers such as Textnow or Talkatone or some other alternatives, is going to there are a lot of other alternatives. If I say alternatives, I have posted a video. Actually, I leave this video's link in the description and the first comment. This video actually covers all the best alternatives for the virtual number applications. Okay, this app is actually also good for cold calling. uh, okay, it offers local and international phone numbers. We'd have to pay for the international numbers, obviously. Yeah. No limit is kept for the number of people included in the group message. That's a pretty good feature, which they do not mention anywhere. User can send individual or group messages anywhere, anytime. And now, if we open this application, and I would have to say out my pros and cons of my usage in the past 1 week, I would tell. First of all, if I take out the pros, I would tell it offers free SMS and picture messages. Next, it helps you make international phone calls over Wi-Fi at no extra cost. And the third, if I were to say, it offers high quality call. Comparatively, compared to other applications, it offers a higher quality call. Not as much as Google Voice, but still, compared to second line, this call quality is actually good. If you take the cons, if you are paying and using the application, you would definitely need customer service support. But Talkatone's customer service support is actually pretty bad. It sucks. In truth, in reality, it totally sucks. The free version is actually filled with ads entirely. There are all kinds of annoying ads such as pop-ups, banners. Everywhere on this application, you would face a lot of ads. Well, that is to be expected in a free version. They would also have to earn money. So obviously, yes. Now, if we take out the key specs, it is actually supported for both the platforms, Android and iOS. It is a free software, and it has a lifetime free basic plan. That's good, right? But well, the issue for people is that you will not be able to download this application, and you will not be able to sign up or use this application outside the America and Canada. The reason behind that is not this application or something. It's the reason behind it is the American law. If you have to understand what is happening with the virtual numbers, then please go take a look at this video. This video not only covers the Textnow update, but also what is happening in the virtual world. I would have told you everything about what is happening in the virtual world and the reasons it's happening. Okay, so I leave this video's link also in the description and the first comment, so please go check it out. As you can see, the user interface of this first page itself is not this good. Okay, this is how the user interface is going to be. More or less, it's going to be similar to this page over here. Okay, it is a blue themed app, so that's to be expected. I mean, I'm not against the blue color or anything. uh, okay, I'll leave the UI's opinion to you guys. Now if you would have to give out my review out of 5 stars, I would rate this application, let's just say 3 stars. It's because of its lack of availability in other countries, mainly my country, and I am not the ads annoy me and the user interface is okay. That's the reason I would rate it 3, or it can maximum go up to 3.5 stars. It's comparatively, on par with the other market leaders such as Text now. Okay, and out of 10, my rating is going to be 7. So guys, I hope this video was informative to you. If it was informative to you, just click on the thumbs up button below this video. And like I told before, you're not yet subscribed to the channel, just go click on the subscribe button, the bell button near to subscribe button. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. Let's meet again in my next video. Until then, it's me Suri Prakash signing off. Bye.